In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can make a graph that has a line over a column chart in Excel with ease, like what you see right here. So to do this, first, highlight the range of data that you want to make the graph from. In this example, it's service revenue, customer growth, where you want the service revenue to be the column chart and the customer growth to be the line component. So highlight this range and go to the Insert tab. Where from here, you're going to want to click on Recommended Charts. And you're going to want to click on All Charts, where you're going to want to then from here click on Combo Chart, which is basically multiple different kinds of charts in the same graph. Now, as you can see, for each series or kind of data range, service revenue and customer growth, in this example, we can pick a bunch of different kinds of charts that may or may not fit our need for what we're trying to work on. From a column chart, bar chart, line chart, area chart, scatter plot, and radar chart, for example. In this example, we want the service revenue to be a column chart, so clustered column works just fine for this example, and the customer growth to be a percentage. Now, as you can see, the orange line is not showing. That's because it is a percentage, which is much smaller than the revenue on the one axis. So we're going to want this to be secondary axis, which is a very different range, and we click OK. Now we have a line over a column chart. But this isn't the prettiest chart because, as you can see, the line is kind of overlaying the columns a bit, and we might want to have this line be above the columns. To do this, we can adjust the range of the axes to show how the line is proportional to the columns. So if we want the lines to be above the columns, for example, we can change the range by right-clicking on the axis, click on Format Axis, and we can adjust the minimum from not 0 to call it minus 3,000, for example. Or we can have the range be, not 0, be 0 to 20,000. And you can see the line starts focusing above the bar to 26,000. As you can see, 24,000, for example. As you can see, now the bar is kind of lifting above the columns. And of course, from here, we kind of format this as deemed necessary, so we can adjust the outline of the line by right-clicking on it and click on Outline, clicking on Black. And we can adjust the fill of the bars by right-clicking on it and click on Fill, for example. You can give this chart a bit more space by removing some of these zeros and these numbers by right-clicking on it, clicking on Numbers, and then adjusting the decimal places to be 0. And we can make things pop a bit more by clicking on Black. Click on the chart, Home Page, Text Black, and then we can call the chart Revenue versus Cost Growth. Of course, format this how you might need for your presentations whenever working on, of course, but note you can use a combo chart, have one be a line, and then adjust the axes to have a line over your column chart that just makes sense visually. Hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.